Imagine a realtor closing deal while they are asleep. When a new lead comes in, automatically he gets followed up, which is fast, personalized, and 100% hands-free. That's what this workflow does. Hey everyone, I'm Abdul. Welcome to Automation Learners Lab. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys step by step how I built a lead nurturing workflow using an end-to-end OpenAI, Google Sheets, and a Gmail, and download my template in the description below. Whether you are freelancing, a realtor, or just learning automation like me, this is going to show you how you can connect real-world problem with real automation. Most realtors lose 60% of their lead, not just because they aren't getting leads, but they are not fast enough in follow-up due to their inbox is flooded with inquiries. Every delay in response drops your chance in conversion. But with automation, we can restore that and bring back your chance of increasing your conversion rate using automation. Without more fluff, let's go into my NetAgent canvas and I'll show you guys practically how you can build this workflow.
Hey guys, as you can see, here is our workflow, and let me zoom out and so you can see everything clearly. This is our lead capture webhook. This is what capture our input data. This code helps to pierce the data into a readable data for anything and all the nodes available so they can read the data. This will also save our raw data. Here is it. We'll save our data into our data is saved into demo sheet. That's the sheet we created, which is stored automatically. As you can see, this is our demo sheet and store data. Here's our OpenAI. This AI scrolled the input data. It's classified the data into 3 categories. There's a low category, medium category, and a high priority category. Depends on the data input. For example, if a lead comes in and said he needs an immediate investment, which is above with budgets of above $1 million USD, $1 million. So this kind of lead is an urgent lead that need a quick attention. And this is our logic: high priority lead classifier. This turn, if the lead has a high priority, it quickly turn to true and it's pass the data and notify an agent that high priority lead has make an inquiry, so he need an urgent attention. And if the priority is low, it goes to the first branch, which continue with the sequence, and this AI generates a welcome email. This email would send an welcome message to the new lead. The follow-up can be who has an inquiry customized into several sequences. It can be customized into 1, 2, 3, and up to 4, 5 sequence. Depends on the follow-up needs. Agents don't need to worry about who are the high priority lead and the hot or cold leads who need high attention and immediate attention. This workflow covers everything. It covers everything from follow-up, inquiry, hot lead, cool lead. Everything is covered using this workflow.
Let's see this in action. I'll fill in the form and run the workflow. In seconds, I'll get followed up, hands-free.
Very simple how the workflow looks. So let's run a quick test. I have to execute the workflow. I fill in the form, name, number, budget, let's say 750 to 1 million. I need an investment opportunity. All the timeline, let's say immediately, and let's say commercial investment property. Then the lead input his email, so submit his inquiry. So finally get submitted. As you can see, within the blink of the eye, before we got back our anything Canva, the workflow executed and everything runs successful. Let me go into my email and see. That's it. Yeah, as you can see, this is it. High priority lead alert at latest your address. New high priority lead, immediate action needed. As you can see, this is amazing. The AI score this lead as 7 out of 10, priority medium. So it's a good, because he has a budget of 750,000 to 1 million budget. Investment is a high priority based on how you want, how your company or your agency classify a high priority. This is a demo, so let's see the welcome email. Here's it. Hi Abdullah, thank you so much for reaching out. I'm sure to assist you in finding a perfect investment property. Your interest in investment opportunity within 750k to 1 million range is both exciting and promising. Can you see? This is amazing. This is very nice. As you can see, this is what we got. This is fantastic. I can't believe this. In a second, your lead gets a warm welcome message. This is far better than manual work, and it gives you more advantage than any manual work. That's it, guys. These are interesting. Let's execute one more and see how it goes. Execute. I'll put the name now. Here's the phone number. The budget range, let's say under 50 land. Buying a land is not hard. It depends on the budget. Let's say within 3 to 6 months. It's for residential purpose. Let's say for residential purpose. Yes, I'll input my email here. Here's it. Let's submit done. Let's go back to our Canva. This is very interesting. As you can see, after executing, this doesn't branch to the high priority because it's lower than the average. So this is not an high priority lead. Here's it. Hi Abdullah, thank you for reaching out. I'm here to assist you in your journey to find your perfect land in your new home. This interesting. Your interest in residential property under 250k is a great choice, and I'm here to make the process as smoother and rewarding as possible. This is very interesting. This AI classify how and what kind of lead need more attention, more immediate attention and high priority than others. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
And that was your full AI-powered lead nurturing workflow. You can adopt it for businesses and for a specific use case. You can download the answer in the description. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, keep automating.